8 people are planning to share equally the cost of a rental car. If one person withdraws from the arrangement and others share equally entire cost of the car, then the share of each of the remaining people increased by. Okay, here we have 8 people. If one person withdraws, then there will be 7 people. Let's find the least common multiple of 8 and 7. There is no common divisor for 8 and 7. So to get the least common multiple of 8 and 7, we have to multiply 8 and 7. 8 times 7 is 56. Now we have to take this $56 as the cost of a rental car. Let me write it. Cost of a rental car. Okay, now if this cost $56 is shared equally by 8 people, to get the share of each person, we have to divide this 56 by the number of people, that is 8. 56 divided by 8 is 7, that is $7. When this one is shared equally by 8 people, the share of each person is $7. What if this $56 is equally shared by 7 people? And now to get the share of each person, we have to divide 56 by the number of people, 7. Then we get $8. 56 over 7 is $8. Now, how much the share of each person is increased? The share of each person is increased by $1. This 1 is what portion of this 7? Clearly, this 1 is 1/7 portion of this 7. That is, the share of each of the remaining people increased by 1/7. I find 1/7 in answer choice C. The correct answer choice for this question is C.